patient has a fluid allowance of 1400 milliliters. The patient has taken 200 milliliters. What percentage is this? So, what we'll do, work out what percentage is that. They've taken 200 out of a possible total of 1400. So you write it over like that, and to convert it into a percentage, you multiply by 100 over 1. Now, without the calculator, we can do a bit of cancelling. So there's a couple of different ways of doing this. Maybe like 100 multiplied by 200, we're just going to add 2 zeros then. So you'd end up with, that becomes 2 like this. So that's 20,000 on top over 1400 below. Now it's easy enough to cancel, dividing above and below by 10. Bang bang, above and below by another 10. And we end up with 200 over 14, which are both even numbers. So we can divide above and below by 2. So 200 divided by 2 is 100. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So now, I suppose we can start dividing. So that's the same as 100 divided by 7. Now, we're asked the nearest whole number. So that's a clue that we're going to have a decimal here. We're going to need a decimal to figure out the nearest whole number. We're going to need one place of decimals really to figure out the nearest whole number. So we'll write it as 100.00. 7 into 1 doesn't go. 7 into 10 goes once and 3 over. 7 into 30 goes 4 times and 2 over, right? Because 7 times 4 equals 28. Now, we bring down the decimal point. 7 into 20 goes twice and 6 over. We can stop there because it's going to be 14.2 or 0.3. Or it's going to be, well, what's going to, we can go one more. So 7 into 60, 7 eighths is 56. So 7 into 60 goes 8 times and 4 over. So we're asked the nearest whole number. 14.2 is closer to 14 than 15. So our answer is 14%. And that's to the nearest whole number. Now it's important here, you can see like here that you know your tables. You know. So don't be afraid to strengthen up your tables by learning your tables and going to websites like timestables.com. Okay, I know.